the beginning of stress-free living, understanding your stress. Welcome to our first coaching session. I am Dr. Michael Olpin. Throughout these videos, I'll be talking with you the same as if I were talking to my students or clients with whom I've worked. I will explain some things about how to keep stress from getting the best of you. I will encourage you to try some new and interesting activities, and from time to time, we'll check your progress together to see how you're doing. We won't spend too much time describing stress. We are going to remain focused on eliminating stress and all the unpleasant symptoms of stress from your life. What I know for sure is that the things I'm going to share with you work. They reduce and possibly eliminate your stress. But you have to try the things that I share with you. Just knowing about them is helpful, but it won't make the permanent changes you would like to see. Stress management coaching is a two-way street. I am going to present to you the very best information on the planet to help you reduce your stress. I've been studying, teaching, writing, and presenting this stuff for over 30 years. I've searched the globe for the best tools. It's been a fairly complex journey, but the bottom line is this. There are a few simple principles and practices that seem to work for everyone. I will guide you through the best ways to create real stress relief for you and walk beside you every step of the way. Here are the things that you need to commit to happen on your end. You'll need to view the videos, try the guided relaxation exercises, self-reflect, and try what I invite you to do. As you do this, new ideas or insights will come that will help you. Your job is to experience the things we talk about and watch what happens. It's sort of like lifting weights to get stronger. You can know all there is about the physiology, the chemistry, the kinesiology of weightlifting, but until you pick up the weights and do the reps required to build muscles, nothing will change. It's the same with stress management. However, when you do actively participate, your stress levels will noticeably go down. Your symptoms of stress will decrease or disappear. You will sleep better. Your unexplained pains will go away. You will have more energy and you'll be a lot happier. Essentially, you're going to feel a lot better by the time we're done working together on your stress. It's pretty fun when that happens. So let's begin our journey together.